Today I am going to show you how can you create this text effect by using Capcut. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First, open your Capcut software and create a new project here. Then click on import and then select your video from here. Before that, you have to shoot a video of yourself where you are walking from left to right in the middle of the screen. After importing the video, we will drag this video to our timeline. Then from the top left corner, we will click on text menu and select a default text. Then you can see the text layer in your timeline. Then I will match the text layer with my video footage. Then you have to write the text for the video. For example, I am writing hello, welcome to nurtechsolution here. Then I will increase the font size a little bit, and then from the font I will select a custom font for my text. Then I will drag out the text to the right side of the screen. Then in the left side menu, I will scroll down a little bit where you will see position, and beside that you will see a diamond icon. Click on this to add a keyframe to the text. Then from the timeline, I will go to the end of my footage. Then I will again drag the text outside of the screen to the left side. This will automatically add a animation to our text. Then I will keep the text layer selected in the timeline, and then I will right click on mouse and create a compound clip. Now from the left side menu, I will click on mask, and then I will select horizontal mask. Then I will rotate this line and keep it like this. Then I will add a keyframe in position, and then I will keep the horizontal line in the middle of my subject. Then from the timeline, I will drag this line forward, and I will make sure the line is always in the middle of my subject. And if it's not, then I will drag the line and keep it in the middle, and I will keep doing this till the end. Then I will click on any empty space in the timeline, and then I will click on modify. Then you have to turn the arrange layer option on. Here it's already on, so I will keep it like this and click on save. Then from the timeline, I will copy my video footage and paste it. Then I will keep this layer in the top. Then I will keep this top layer selected, and from the left side menu, I will click on remove BG. Then I will scroll down a little bit and then click on auto removal. This will automatically remove the background from the video, and now our video is ready. Now I have to just export this video. Now from the top right corner, I will click on export and save my video. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.